Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some carrot juice. So here I have 2 bags of carrot, and as you can see I cut them up. I also have lime, lemon and ginger, and I also have some granulated sugar, but you can use brown sugar, but I prefer to use the granulated sugar. So here I have a blender, and I put some of my carrot in my blender. I didn't put all of it, and I also add my ginger. So now I'm gonna add some water. And you don't want to fill it up, just put it halfway. So that's fine. So now I'm gonna turn my blender on. So it is finished blend, and this is what it looks like. So make sure everything is all blended. So now I'm gonna strain it now. So here I have a strainer, and I also have a jug, as you can see. So now I'm gonna transfer all of my blend up carrot to my strainer. Just take your time so it doesn't spill. So you're gonna want to take a spoon and just press it down so the juice come right through. Take a bit of patience, but it's worth it. So this is gonna be my second time straining it. Come right through. So my juice has finished strained, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is very smooth. So this is exactly how you want it. So here I have a strainer. So now I'm gonna strain my lime and my lemon, because you don't want the bits from the lime to get in the juice. I love carrot juice with plenty of ginger and lime, full of ice. So now I'm gonna sweeten it now. Just sweeten it to your liking, guys. Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna taste it now. That is perfect, guys. That is perfect. That is so perfect. It just needs some ice and it's just good to go. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put it in a glass for you guys and show you guys how it looks in the glass. Hi guys, so this is how my carrot juice looks in the glass. It looking so refreshing. As you can see, I put some ice and I also put some lemon at the top. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.